Phonetics, pronunciation sounds. What is phonetics? Phonetics is the study of how sounds are made and pronounced in a language. It teaches us how letters sound, not only how they are written, how to move our mouth, tongue, and lips to make the right sound. Types of sounds in English. In English, we divide sounds into vowels and consonants, like we learned. Phonetics helps us pronounce them correctly. Short and long vowel sounds. Short vowels.
A, sat, back, hat, cap, let, neck, mess, wet, hit, pick, miss, tip, hot, sock, boss, top, cut, luck, fuss, cup.
Long vowels.
A, late, lake, race, train, heat, peak, peace, leak, note, coke, hose, phone, suit, through, juice, room, eye, light, like, rice, ripe.
Consonant sounds. Some consonants are hard, stop the air, others are soft, flow of air. Examples.
P and B. P. Pay, happy, cup, bay, trouble, rub, t and d, tip, letter, sat, dip, ladder, sad, s and z, sue, missing, face, zoo, crazy, phase, sh and zh, show, pushing, rush, measure, Asia, vision.
Why is phonetics important? Helps you sound like a native speaker. Makes listening and speaking easier. Avoids confusion, example, ship. Versus sheep. Practice exercise. Say these pairs of words slowly and feel the difference. Ship, sheep, Kate, cut, bit, beat. Key idea. Phonetics. The music of English sounds. It shows the difference between writing and speaking.